You saw the prep. You know what time it is. You know, I was going to throw this bad boy on the grill, but weather was a little funny, and I wasn't sure if it was going to start drizzling again. So instead of throwing some smoke on my chicken shawarma, we're gonna go ahead and throw in some oil. So this is your boy's deep fried chicken shawarma. Let's get to it. So what I got here is a little mixture, equal parts self-rising flour and cornmeal, along with 1.5 tablespoons of the seasoning. And I'm just gonna go ahead and shake me up a couple pieces. These are them chicken thighs, and what's special about these chicken thighs is that I took the bone out myself. So I'm very, very proud of that. And cheaper to do that too. So I left the skin on, and you know, we're gonna go ahead and get some good fried chicken. So I'm gonna throw like 3 pieces up in here, just like that. We got some of the onion in there. I don't know if I'm gonna cook that. I got a thing about cooking veggies that's been sitting with raw chicken, but I might batter them with time. So we're gonna toss this up, and then I'm gonna get them on the rack and let them sit. So I got these bad boys coated, you know, nice little dredge, and I'm letting them sit a minute. And I think this oil is hot enough, so I'm just gonna leave them with 1 coat, because they coated pretty nice, and I don't want it to be too bready. I want a nice, thin, crispy layer on this chicken. Yeah, so we all fried up here. As you can see, your boy's deep fried chicken shawarma. And man, look at the color. I mean, look at the color. Got that little crunch from the cornmeal, self-rising flour, equal parts, and then I put 1.5 tablespoons of the Sadaf seasoning shawarma. Yeah, this stuff is on point. I did fry up them onions too, so I'm gonna have a couple of those. But let's get a bite. Let's see where that crisp factor is. So we got a little plate together here, and I need a little sauce. Some of this chicken dipping sauce. I didn't make like no tzatziki or anything like that. But this right here, if anybody were ever wondering that secret sauce at Jack in the Box, yeah, got a little onion here. That's good. That's good. So before I dip this chicken, I just want to get a bite of it. We want to hear some crunch. You taste all the spices on that shawarma. You taste it all. You taste the cumin, the coriander, the clove, the turmeric, the parsley, the cinnamon, all that. Man, this is amazing. Let's dip it in a little sauce. Remember, your boy deboned these himself. So that's what makes it so special and why it tastes so good. This is amazing. I don't know if anybody ever tried to deep fry some chicken with some shawarma. Usually it's on the grill, and that's what I want to do, but the weather was tripping, so I'm glad I did it like this. You got to give it a try. Man, that was good. All right. Everybody be cool out there. You know what time it is. Be safe. Use your common sense. Be courteous. Respect everybody's space. And I appreciate everybody checking me out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Go back and check out my other videos, my playlist and all that. Appreciate everybody supporting your boy. And once again, Keenan just felt like cooking. In case everybody was wondering, that chicken is juicy. That's a nice juicy thigh that your boy fried up. Yeah.